Hey everyone, today, we're going to explore how to create a workflow that can make your life so much easier. Imagine being able to save time, reduce manual work, and get more done with fewer repetitive tasks. Sounds great, right? To create your workflow, start by navigating to the Workflows section from the menu on the left side of the screen. Now, in the left bar view, click Workflows. Once you're there, click New Workflow to create a new workflow from scratch and open a clean workspace where you can start building your automation step by step. By default, new workflows may appear with a generic name, but you can easily change it. Click the workflow name and enter a descriptive name. Now click Add First Step, then choose the application or trigger type you want to use. In this example, we'll use a schedule trigger, which allows the workflow to run automatically based on timing settings. Here, you can define exactly when and how often the workflow should run. Once the trigger is ready, click the plus button to add the next step. This next step is an action. An action is what the workflow will do after the trigger runs. Select the application where the action should happen, then choose the specific action you want the workflow to perform. After selecting the action, fill in the required fields and complete the setup. Now you can test the workflow. Click the Run button at the top of the page. You can watch the workflow, run and review the results once it completes. To make changes, simply return to the editor. Make sure everything is configured correctly. Before continuing, once your trigger and action are ready, your workflow structure is set up and ready for the next stage.